Hurricane Milton is particularly dangerous due to its rapid intensification and unpredictable path. This storm has been fueled by unusually warm ocean waters, allowing it to gain strength at an alarming rate. Winds have reached over 150 miles per hour, making it a Category 4 hurricane. What sets Milton apart is its compact size. Smaller storms can change direction quickly, catching communities off guard. Additionally, the storm surge associated with Milton poses a significant threat, with waves potentially reaching 20 feet in some areas. The combination of high winds, heavy rainfall, and flooding makes Hurricane Milton a formidable force. Understanding these factors is crucial for preparedness and safety.